Big Papi got some major props from the President of the United States on Tuesday as Barack Obama highlighted one particular moment in Boston's history that really struck a chord. The President took in the historic exhibition game between the Tampa Bay Rays and the Cuban national team in Havana and told the ESPN broadcast crew that David Ortiz's F-bomb at Fenway Park in the wake of the Boston Marathon bombing was a proud moment. And, quote, probably the only time that America didn't have a problem with cursing on live TV.